The Quran says, help each other in good and pious acts. In the saying of Prophet Sallallah-u-alaih-i-wa-sallam, it is written, the root of all of the wisdom is the fear of God. What better guidance can we get other than this? The fear of God is the root of all the wisdom. Therefore, the month of Ramadan, God Almighty had given you and us the best tool to easily practice and observe taqwa, fear of God. However, the condition is that you may continue to observe and practice fear of God till the next 11 months as well. None like some of the pilgrimage performs who come back after performing pilgrimage and start stealing others' rights and do bad acts with the assumption that all my past bad deeds have been wiped out and now I start clean slate, but they don't realize that their bad deeds is what going to be written on their new slate. So God had blessed you a great source of support in the face of Ramadan, in which you can easily practice and observe taqwa. God Almighty says, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu kutiba alaykumus siyamu kama kutiba alal ladhina min qablikum la'allakum tattaqoon. O believer, fasting is endorsed to you as it was endorsed to those before you, so that you may develop taqwa, fear of God. Note, God says so that you may develop taqwa. So Ramzan is given to us so that we can easily practice and observe and develop taqwa. Whatever was allowed to us in normal days was abundant to us in the days of Ramadan. Meaning, in order for us to build self-control, control our ego, learn and develop patience, fasting for a month was endorsed. So when you forbear during daytime with things that were allowed to you throughout the year, you will learn to forbear from all the forbiddings and sinful things. So when you learn patience, to that God says, Inna Allah ma'as sabirin. Verily, I, God, with those who observe patience. To stay with God, people spend their lives and yet can't get it. But with taqwa, with patience, with fear of God, with piety, God is with you. God speaks with you. God guides you directly, drives you for the best. May God bless you and me with the practice, fear of God and patience for the next 11 months of the rest of our life. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ.
माशाल्लाह जनाब साहबजादा शहजादा सैयद मोहम्मद सिद्दीक फिरोजी